I'm good. I'm happy na andito po kayo. Kasama kayong lahat. This was how actress Miles Ocampo responded when asked how she is feeling now during the grand media conference of the Family of Two on Sunday in Quezon City. Facing the press for the first time since her ex-boyfriend, Elijah Canlas, confirmed that they have broken up. Miles Ocampo gamely answered some questions pertaining to their breakup, including how her parents guided her through life challenges. Alam mo yung mga parents. Kahit hindi ka magsabi sa kanila, kahit hindi ka magsalita, at kahit hindi ka mag-share, nararamdaman nila kung ano ang nararamdaman mo, said Miles Ocampo. I am grateful sa mommy ko. Sa parents ko, actually. Kahit wala kayong conversation, mararamdaman mo, bigla na lang magte-text ang mama na, kumusta ka today? She added. In an ambush interview with ABS-CBN News after the press conference, Miles Ocampo stressed that she is doing well. Though she politely avoided questions regarding her breakup with Elijah Canlas. Miles Ocampo responded when asked what she promises herself to do after her previous relationship. I will love myself more this time, she said. And when asked about being single like her friend Catherine Bernardo, Miles Ocampo quipped, it's a tie.